Hey guys, I'm Aditya and today we are gonna be doing a gas sensor circuit. So I have a gas sensor over here which has 4 pins. So the 4 pins are marked over here. The first pin is VCC, which is the positive pin. You can connect your 5-volt power supply or your 9-volt power supply on this pin. Then you have your ground pin, which is the negative pin. Then the third pin is your DO pin. You can see it's written DO there. So DO means digital output pin. And the fourth pin is AO, which is analog output. So you can also see this light blue thing here. That's a potentiometer. At the end, we are gonna be doing something with the potentiometer. So stay tuned to the video. So let's get on with the parts of this circuit. First, first you need a gas sensor, of course. Second, you'll need a buzzer. Third, okay, I don't need this over here. This is our last video's touch sensor. We actually don't need it. So third, you need a LED. Fourth, 4 jumper wires. Fifth, breadboard. Sixth, Arduino Uno board. Okay, I'm just using the Arduino Uno board for my 5-volt power supply. You can use a 9-volt battery as well. Next, you need a matchbox and its matchsticks. And fourth, you need a incense stick because this is what the gas sensor is gonna sense. Today, I'll be using a MQ-6 gas sensor. So, I'm going to tell you what can it sense. And by the way, you can also use this circuit which we made as a LPG leakage detector. As it detects LPG, it also detects CH4, which is methane. It detects LPG, methane. And then, have you heard of this thing called H2? If you're not familiar, you become familiar with it now. Because H2 is basically dihydrogen. Because there are 2 atoms of hydrogen, it's called dihydrogen. So, it can sense LPG, methane, which is CH4, and dihydrogen. So the incense stick basically senses dihydrogen. So this is what we are going to be sensing today. Of course, you can use it as an LPG detector. If you have a box just fit for this, then you can just stick it in there, put a small gap where the gas sensor is kept. So this is basically the part of the sensor. So if you're using it as an LPG detector, make sure to make a hole here, like this. So it's going to sense LPG and then it might give you sound with your buzzer or light. So this is how you're going to make the circuit. First, you're going to need your breadboard. Let me just do like this. Yeah, you're going to need your breadboard and connect your LED anywhere on the breadboard, like this. Make sure you know which is the positive pin. Make sure you know which is the positive pin and the negative pin, as you're gonna connect the buzzer parallelly to it. So I've connected my buzzer parallelly to my LED, which means I've connected the anode of my buzzer to the anode of the uh, buzzer, anode of the LED and cathode of the LED to the cathode of the buzzer. So it's connected parallelly. Now you're gonna need to attach your gas sensor anywhere on the breadboard. Further away. Yep, like that. So we are gonna use only 3 pins on the gas sensor. I told you about the last pin, the analog output pin. We are not gonna be using the analog output pin. Okay, first take your jumper wire and connect it to the anode of your LED to the VCC pin of the gas sensor. So the VCC pin is basically the first pin. So positive to VCC because VCC is basically where you're gonna attach your positive voltage. Now take your second jumper wire, connect it to the 5-volt pin of your Arduino Uno and connect the other end of the wire to the same VCC pin we connected it to. So basically you can see 2 wires in one place. So you're going to connect that to VCC as well. Now take your third jumper wire, connect it to the negative pin of the LED or the cathode of your LED and buzzer to the digital output pin of the gas sensor. The digital output pin is basically the third pin. It's marked with a DO symbol. Now this is your last connection. Connect your last jumper wire to the ground pin of the Arduino Uno and connect the other end to the ground pin of the sensor. So there you go, you're done with your circuit. So now I'm going to light up my incense stick. Take the supervision of an adult if you don't know how to light a matchstick. So I know how to light a matchstick, that's why I can do it. So I'm gonna light my incense stick. Oof, that matchstick was half burnt. So a incense stick is difficult to light. So make sure you take a supervision of your adult. So I've lighted my incense stick. Now it's gonna go off soon. Now connect your circuit to your computer. You have to wait for a little while. So the gas spreads out everywhere. Thus it's a little difficult. But You can observe that when I bring the incense stick close to the sensor, the LED, yeah, so basically it's gone now. When I put again, so guys, this is how you do a, oh come on. So last time, so just put your incense stick like this. Just in case you don't have an incense stick, you can also use a matchstick, but it's gonna be a little bit more difficult. You have to put out the flames after some time, and then you'll see a gas. Quickly put it in front of the gas sensor, and it'll also work the same way. Just that the incense stick is a little bit easier. So guys, this is how you do a gas sensor circuit using a MQ-6 gas sensor. And I told you earlier that we are going to be doing something with a potentiometer. So if you guys saw a screwdriver here, that's what it's for. This potentiometer is controlled with a screwdriver. So thing is that whenever you get your gas sensor, firstly make the circuit, just in case it's not working. It's not because your gas sensor doesn't work or your circuit's wrong. It's because the potentiometer of your gas sensor is incorrectly set. So what you can basically do is connect your sensor like this, and then just check. Keep the incense stick in front. Always keep the incense stick in front, and then you should take help of someone because you won't be able to do two things at once. Take the help of your parents to put the incense stick in front of the gas sensor, and meanwhile you set the potentiometer. At one point it will come that the LED glows without the gas of the incense stick. Just move it just before that part, and then you have a set to go thing. So it's like, for me, you can see here, if I twist this a little bit this side, you can see it glows by itself. If I put it this side, what happens if even if you put the incense stick, it's not gonna work. It's gonna take a lot of time, and you will see real electricity coming through because the potentiometer is not letting a lot of electricity. But when you just put like this, it's allowing the electricity to pass through completely. Thus, circuit is complete. So guys, this is how you do a gas sensor circuit using a MQ-6 gas sensor. Make sure to like, share and subscribe my video. See you in the next video guys.